times and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
What's up, fam? I hope you're doing well, guys, today. Okay, gang. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see here, guys, I have 130, guys. 130 rands, guys. And I'm going to withdraw, guys, via prepaid, guys. Okay. Now come here, guys. Okay. Now come here to claim rewards here, guys. Okay. And you can see, guys, I have 130 points, which means equals to 130 rands, guys. Here are my options, guys. Airtime, and then there are shopping vouchers, guys. Woolworths, Take a Lot, Super Police, ShopRite. Okay, but I'm going to withdraw airtime, guys. Who doesn't like airtime? Okay, I'm going to withdraw 100 bucks, guys. As you can see, 100. Okay, and I'm going to claim. Claim. Are you sure you won't be able to revert this? Okay, yes, claim. Definitely claim, guys. Claim. Okay, as you can see, transaction successful, guys. Now I have 30 rand, which I can also redeem, guys, if I want. But I'm going to withdraw it, guys. Okay, 30 rand, and then claim. Yebo. Now as you can see, guys, I have 0 points, guys. I have claimed all my points, guys. Okay, gang, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.